In this video, I will show you how to allow apps from unknown sources on your TCL Smart TV. Now over here, I have the TCL Android TV, but this should work for you even if you have a TCL Google TV as well. So if you want to be able to install unknown apps into your TCL Smart TV without any restriction, what you want to do is to simply go ahead and open up the settings of your TCL Smart TV by scrolling over to the top right corner of the TV. This should actually be on both your Android TV and Google TV. Come over to the settings icon at the top over here. Go ahead and click on the settings icon, and then you just want to scroll down until where you have apps over here. Click on apps. Now scroll down until you get to security and restrictions. And here you're going to see the unknown sources option. Now go ahead and click on it, and from here you should be able to see all of the apps that actually have this restriction turned on or turned off on your TCL Smart TV. For instance, the downloader app, which is a very popular app that I use to download and install third-party apps into my TCL Smart TV, actually has this turned on. So simply I can go ahead and download apps from unknown sources into my TCL Smart TV, and I won't get this restriction because the permission is turned on for this particular app on my TCL Smart TV. So you can go ahead and turn it for any app you want to be able to use to download and install apps from unknown sources into your TCL Smart TV, and that restriction will be turned off for that particular app on your TCL Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.